Lees was trapped under palm tree leaves for about an hour until firefighters were able to rescue him. But unfortunately, he later died from his injuries. An accident and injury attorney tells me if you need a palm tree trimmed, you could be liable if anything happens.
We need them. It is part of us.
When you think Phoenix, you likely picture palm trees. A quintessential part of the landscape, the trees can reach 100 feet.
Yeah, I'm a landscaper. Oh, it's dangerous.
Which means their height can make them difficult to prune, especially when there are a lot of fronds.
Well, first, every contractor needs to be licensed in the state of Arizona. If you're not licensed, that's a problem.
This past weekend, 43-year-old Jaime Solis got trapped under a large pile of leaves near the top of a palm tree. He later died from his injuries.
They should be, a real organization. If you pick up someone off the street, if they're not licensed and they get hurt, and that is on the homeowner when they get injured. The homeowner can be responsible.
David Iverson, a litigation trial attorney at Kelly Law Team, says who you hire to trim your trees is important. According to Iverson, you need to vet your tree trimmers carefully. He says in addition to the worker being licensed and with a company, they also need to be bonded, insured, and have active workers' compensation. Iverson says some who do it on the cheap end up paying astronomically more in the long run if something goes wrong.
How much money are we talking?
That's hard to tell. It's very case dependent, but how much is a human's life worth? They're priceless. So in the end, that's up to a jury in court.
Though many cases settle, they settle for a lot of money. And Iverson says homeowners insurance can be limited, so you could pay thousands out of pocket.
The Arizona Constitution has a prohibition against caps. There are no caps on damages in Arizona.
I'm told that the typical cost of tree trimming per tree, when done correctly and safely, can range from $100 to $1,500, depending on the height, size, and amount of trimming that needs to be done. But Iverson says it's always better to pay that than legal fees. In studio, I'm Sarah Robinson for Arizona's Family.